Tired of sifting through endless data to find out how many different items you have? Let's unlock the power of Excel to count unique values in seconds. First, ensure you have your data ready in an Excel sheet. For this demonstration, we'll use a list of product names. Our goal is to discover the total number of different products without duplicates. We'll start by using the unique function. Select an empty cell where you want your list of unique values to appear. Type the equals sign, followed by unique and in opening parenthesis. Now, we need to tell Excel which data to look at. Click and drag to select the entire range of your data that contains the values you want to count. For example, if your data is in cells A2 through A10, select that range, then close the parenthesis. Press enter, and instantly, Excel will display a new list containing only the unique entries from your original data. Notice how all the duplicates are gone. But we want to count, right? Now, let's get the total. Click into another empty cell, and this time, we'll use the rows function. Type the equals sign, followed by rows and in opening parenthesis. Again, select the range that now holds your unique values. This is the list that Excel just generated using the unique function. Close the parenthesis and press enter. And there you have it. The number in the cell is the total count of all the distinct values in your original dataset. This simple two-step process makes analyzing your data significantly easier and faster. So next time you need to identify how many different items you have, remember the unique and rows functions to quickly get your answer and make smarter decisions. Happy analyzing!